Okay, today we're going to be turning this car into a bed for camping. Alrighty, first thing we did was take a sheet of plywood and cut it to the dimensions of the car. All we did was take some off the sides and off the top, and we left it in a square shape for now. With help from my dad, of course. He's really kind of the conductor on this situation. And once we try to fit it, we realized that there are many curves inside this car and we had to remeasure. Then we took some more off the top and the sides, just a couple inches, and I actually got to saw, which was kind of fun and oddly satisfying. Okay, so the passenger seat doesn't go as far forward as the driver's seat, and when we measured the driver's seat up to here, but we didn't measure the passenger seat, so we have to take it off a couple inches to accommodate for that. And my dad is gonna make the slits, or dog ears, I think he called it.
Wow, look at Chris go. Well, Olivia decided to take the day off, so I'm going to be taking over. Here you can see us trying to fit the wood into the car to see if it has a better fit from what we just sawed off. Unfortunately, we didn't consider that the car has a lot of really weird curves, and so we had to go back to the workbench. Here I'm looking and making sure that my assistants are doing a really good job, and I'm working really hard to supervise the whole process. Okay, and I'm gonna dust off a little bit and then flex, and that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna try and fit it into the car again.
Alrighty, I am back from my vacation and we got the thing in there and we got the front legs holding it up, and it seems like it is weight bearing like it should. Okay, we got the front two sticks to hold it, and now we're gonna do the back two. We just measured, and then we'll start with those four. Okay, we had to move it down there so that the car is level, so that when we measure the bed, it'll be level too when the car is level and not on the driveway. When we put the 4 pegs in, it was still too wobbly for us, so my dad's making walls. That's the dumb version of what we're making, or my dad's making, to go long ways on the bottom so it won't wobble as much. So yeah, we're just gonna watch for now. So we went to Home Depot, got a continuous hinge and a big roll of carpet that we're going to use as like a upholster situation. But while we were there, my dad made the support systems. So check it out. He made these box things that go under. Excuse me. There's that one. And next we just have to cut it, put the hinge on, and then these poles will be removable for when we flip it up and we're driving. So our hinge, it only came in 30 inches and 48. Got the 31, and only got 1.5 inch wide, even though we should have got, they didn't have 2-inch wide. So what we're gonna do is go back, get the longer one, and my dad's gonna cut it to the length just so it's extra support.
Okay.
Okay. It's Modelo time, fool. Dee 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 dee. Don't want to get copyright strike. Dee 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 dee. A gift of gratitude. Thanks, Dad. I'll give it for you.
There's an opener right there.
You do it.
Huh?
You can do it.
I know.
Oh.
Or you want me to?
Yeah. Is that a paint can opener?
Well, it kind of is. Also a bottle opener. Are you filming me doing it?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thanks, Dad.
Woo!
We're not done yet, but
You are Connie.
thanks for your help.
Ooh, that's good.
And after cracking some cold ones and taking a good old sip, I finally got to sand my way across the entire board and make it nice and smooth so no splinters would stick up.
And then I got to saw the edge off that's going to become the hinge.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have a wood split here and we're gonna stick some glue in there and clamp it.
Overnight, so we gotta postpone this till tomorrow, even though we were excited about finishing today.
It's okay.
But we still have tomorrow. Glue and clamp. And then the only thing we need to do is attach the what's the word? The hinge on there, and then do some upholstery work to get it nice and smooth. Alrighty, we're done for the day. Well, that dries and it's looking pretty good. We're really excited. Show your excitement. No, I'm just kidding. Woo! Thanks, Dad. Alright, day 2. My dad put on the hinges, and all we have left to do is upholstery it. And I'm gonna learn how to use the staple gun. Yeah! Look at that! Oh! We then covered the whole thing with a thin layer of flooring foam, I think my dad called it, that he just had on hand somehow. I don't know. And then we put it over the hinge because we didn't want to fuss with upholstering the 2 separate pieces and then, you know, attaching the hinge that way and figuring that out. So we just did the layer of foam and then the carpet right over the hinge. Alright, I gotta do this part.
No, you did the whole other side.
No, we switched off.
You did all of those.
You needed all these. That made up for it.
Nuh-uh. Because if you do this,
How's it going?
it's going well.
Are you sure? What happened? We both wanted a staple gun. And after we figured out a sharing solution, we finished stapling the thin layer of foam onto the build-out. It doesn't go that far. Oh. It's not that far.
Anticlimactic.
I know. Got it. I'm just wasting staples. Let me know if that was illegal activity because it felt wrong. Anyways, now we finished the upholstery by cutting out the rectangle we thought we needed, stapling down the 4 corners, then turning it upside down and wrapping the carpet in as best we could and as tight as we could. Okay, we finished upholstering. Moment of truth. We're gonna try it in the car. The only thing is we didn't want to deal with doing the two pieces separately. So with that, in our 2 layers, it doesn't sit all the way flat. But I think with our storing situation, we could figure something out. So, yay! Let's try it. It's in like Flynn, and it works. Woo! It works. Do the it works dance.
So you can get a shot of the end there.
Do the it works dance. Thanks, Dad.
That's my it works.
Do the it works dance. Oh yeah. Dylan, do the it works dance. Oh yeah. Check it out. Got storage. That's flipping up in driving mode. Just can't see out the back. Okay, so it's dark now, but I just wanted to show you the situation we had going on. Over here, we got these 2 3-inch sheets of foam at Home Depot, and it was only $25 each. I think they're like bulk upholstery type foam, but it fits perfectly side by side. So that's going to be our main mattress, and then Dylan has this mattress topper, really cushy as well. So I think it'll be really comfy like that. The only thing we have to figure out is the storage situation, and I think that's it. We don't have all of our stuff in yet, but here's all the storage we have underneath.
Sorry, it was a mosquito.
Cameraman lost the lights. Yeah, here's all the walls and whatnot. So yeah, there it is. On your ear. No? Oh. Gotta get that PPE. Safety first. Dad the builder, can he fix it? Yes, he can. Let's do it.
Good.
Gold top.
Ooh, that's good.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And
The audace.
okay, go.